Okay guys, so ito try naman natin ngayon guys itong MC Atlanta, no? So napakaangas ito mama shot mga madam, no? So ito try pa natin itong MC Atlanta at kung mapapansin nyo guys, unlimited na po ang BC niya, no? Let's go! Yan, so try tayo guys. Yan, MC Atlanta po tayo ngayon guys. Napakaangas po nito. Dance. So ito try natin guys. Yan, so Atlanta Hawks versus Miami Heat. Napakaangas ito guys.
A quick check now at the starting lineup for both teams.
Atlanta Hawks versus Miami Heat. Napakaangas na ito guys. Ang grabe sa Atlanta. O Trae Young, oh. Clint Capela. Jimmy Butler guys sa Miami Heat. Let's go. First start na nga po natin guys, no? Yung chart. So, MC Atlanta. Let's go guys. Kaya natin to guys. Hirapan siya.
And first quarter, we're about 3.5 minutes in.
Uy.
For three.
Uy, grabe naman yung tres nun.
D there, guys, was pretty much
naman nun. So ako naman guys.
Like that open.
Shoots from the elbow.
Uy. Kapal. Nice one. Uy. Takbo sa malayo.
Works with it. Larson.
Uy, nice one. Dito. Dito.
1 second.
Uy. Nice one.
On the jump shot.
Galing naman nun, sir.
A good game so far as we conclude the first quarter.
Baka ako nakaka-score guys. Dito pwede ka na ako makascore. Wala ko gawin yung bola. Uy, oops.
So it's Miami now. To the paint.
Nice one. Baba. Angat dito. Trae Young. Nice.
From long.
Uy. Balibag. Uy.
Misses the
nice one. Buti na ano natin. Dito.
The Hawks trailing.
At sa kanya dito, sa akin dito. Uy. Grabe, sure ball yun ah. So kung bago pa lang kayo sa ating guys, YouTube channel, click nyo po yung subscribe. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa Facebook page natin, click nyo po yung follow na.
Guys. Again, the miss by the Heat.
He hit a 3 in the first, but so far has been unable to capitalize here in this quarter.
He's off on the play. Hawks making a switch here.
Dito. Nice one. Oops. Uy, dito pwede. Malos. Tambak tayo guys. Kasalanan ko to guys. So kailangan natin bumawi dito.
And we're now a little over 2.5 minutes into the second quarter. Puts it up.
Nice one. Ayan naman guys. Gawin na tayo kahit paano.
The Heat with the lead.
Diba? Pa rin talaga eh. Oh.
Has to wear.
Oh.
Now about 3 minutes gone in the second quarter of basketball. Uncovered. They get it again.
Nice one. From dito try. Counted.
So he draws the foul on the shot. A trip to the line to shoot 2.
Boy, they're trailing in this game, and they're
ito,
starting
guys.
to settle for jumpers offensively.
Ulit ko guys, kung bago pa lang kayo sa ating channel, YouTube channel, click nyo yung subscribe. Kung nasa Facebook naman kayo, click nyo po yung follow, no? Gabi naman yun, sir. Oops, hindi na still.
And here's Brooks. Pass to Bryant.
Uy,
Wide open look.
rebound. Uy, grabe pre. Nagdadas lang. Hindi ako naman babawi. Ibagan na lang.
From 11 feet away.
Uy,
It's
double.
home in by the Heat.
That's a huge part of what they want to do defensively. Limit his easy chances inside.
Now, here's Brooks. Poked away.
Sorry. Ginagawa mo.
Shot clock at 6.
Uy,
Gets
grabe naman siya, nabayan ko pa. Points ah.
5.
Dito ka lang natin bumawi guys. Uy, hira. So hanggang dito na lang po guys. God bless po sa ating lahat at ingat kayo.
Okay, let's try something different.